feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Frequent use of cough drops can increase your risk of cavities because many contain sugar or sweeteners that feed bacteria in your mouth, producing acid that harms tooth enamel. To protect your teeth, choose sugar-free cough drops and maintain good oral hygiene.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.